OnePlus really thought they could keep the 13T under wraps, huh? Well, nope. A slick-looking marketing image just leaked on Weibo, and it basically confirms a bunch of rumors we've been hearing. And yeah, it looks like OnePlus has been taking notes from Google and Apple this time. First off, this thing's got vibes. The design is clean, with 2 rear cameras stacked vertically, sitting inside a housing that honestly feels like if a Pixel 9 Pro Fold and an iPhone 16 had a design baby. And what's wild is, the camera bump barely sticks out. Like, you know how some phones these days look like they're carrying a backpack? Not this one. It's sleek, kind of like Xiaomi's old Mi 11 flagship from a few years back. Now, the model in this leak is in this deep, moody color called Cloud Ink Black, and apparently they've got 2 other shades lined up, Morning Mist Gray and Heartbeat Pink. Yes, Heartbeat Pink. It sounds like a K-pop album, but I'm kind of here for it. As for the front, it's rocking a 6.3-inch OLED panel, 1.5K resolution, and thankfully it's flat. No more of that over-curved screen nonsense. And durability-wise, this thing's apparently built tough. IP68 and IP69 ratings, meaning it should survive your clumsiest moments with water and dust. Inside, it's rumored to pack Qualcomm's new Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, LPDDR5X RAM, UFS 4.0 storage, basically top shelf stuff, plus Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, an IR blaster for your old school remote control moments, and NFC. And here's where it gets juicy, a 6,100 milliamp hour battery. That's a chunky battery for a phone weighing just 185 grams. And it'll support 80-watt wired charging. No word on wireless charging though, which feels like a bit of a miss in 2025, but hey, you win some, you lose some, camera-wise. A 50 megapixel Sony sensor for your main shots, a 50 megapixel Samsung telephoto for that 2x zoom, and a 32 megapixel front cam for those ultra crisp selfies. It's also tipped to have stereo speakers and will run Android 15 with Oxygen OS on top. No official launch date yet, but if the rumors are right, it should drop by the end of the month. Honestly, I'm kinda hyped to see this one in action. Alright, that's the scoop for now. Catch you in the next one. Peace!